Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to your Divine Prayers channel. Let's chant Sanskrit sloka with ease. Kavim Purana Manusasi Tara Manoraniyam Samano Smaredyaha Sarvasya Dhatara Machintya Rupa Maditya Varnam Tamasah Parastat Kavim Puranamanusaasitara Manoraniyam Samanusmaredyah Sarvasya Dhatara Machintya Rupa Maditya Varnam Tamasah Parastat. Hope you could follow along with me in chanting the sloka. More in queue.